Hello, Year 9s. Welcome to Mr. Chen's maths class. How are you? So today in coordinate geometry, we will talk about this midpoint. The topic is midpoint. So midpoint, what do you think? Even without looking in maths, like what do you think midpoints mean? So based on my understanding, midpoint is something in the middle. And for math, in coordinate geometry, it is literally what that is. So there are three key points that you need to know. First one is segment. Second one is midpoint. And third one is x coordinates and y coordinates. Okay, so just a quick reminder, your x coordinates is this one. I mean x-axis and y-axis. So anything in the x-axis is called the x coordinates, and anything in the y-axis is called the y coordinates. Okay. So midpoint, if you look at here, is literally that midpoint of two distance. So we have A and we have B, and you will be able to find the midpoint by the end of these videos. So let's begin. So there is the formula for midpoint, which is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the x here, x1 here, refer to the first x coordinates for the first point that you're looking at. These two, okay, they come from that one. Okay, so that one has x1, y1, and B has x2, y2. Okay, it's just an easy way so you don't tell, you can tell them apart and not confuse with them. So if I'm gonna look at here, if I'm gonna put that right into here, I'm gonna make an example. So A has a coordinate of 1 and -2, and B has a coordinate of 5 and 3. So since we make A the x1, y1 and B the x2, y2, we will be able to find it just by adding the two x coordinates together and divided by 2. It's quite simple. So for that, formula for that midpoint, which is right there, midpoint equal to x1 is your, as you know, x1 is here, x2 is here, y1 is here, y2 is there. Okay, so x1 is 1 and x2 is 5 divided by 2 and comma, and then y1 is -2 plus 3 and divided by 2. Okay, so 1 plus 5 is 6 divided by 2, and 1 divided by -2 plus 3 is 1, and divided by 2 is 1 out of 2. So your answer is quite simple. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 1 out of 2 is 0.5. There you go. That is your coordinates for that one. Okay, without looking at the Cartesian plane, for those who first time in this video, this grid thing is called a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Okay. So if I'm gonna give you another question, which is this. So example 2. Find midpoint M of AB given A has the coordinate of -2, 3, and B has the coordinate of 4 8. Okay, I want you to use that one to work on it same way. Okay, and then pause for a while until you work it out. You might, hopefully you get it correct. If not, just correct it. It's not a big deal at all. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna go and look at it now, show you how to do it. So easy again. I'm gonna make this my x1 and that my y1 and that my x2 and that's my y2. So you can do it around, like you can swap it around, you will still get the right answer, if provided that you actually did the calculation correctly. Okay, -2 plus 4 divided by 2 and comma 3 plus 8 divided by 2. Remember, you just divided by 2. The reason why you divided by 2 is to find the midpoint. Okay, so -2 plus 4 is 2 divided by 2. Okay, and 3 plus 8 is 11 divided by 2. Okay, so at the end you will get 1 and 5.5. So that is how you find midpoint of two coordinates. It's pretty easy, isn't it? So hope you enjoyed these videos, and write the notes down and show me in class. I will give you some reward for it. And that's it for these videos. Peace out. Bye.